Hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia and this is Shubhya. So today I have with us one of the renowned personalities, Professor Maninder Agrawal, Director of IIT Kanpur. Sir, we are privileged to have you on our platform and thank you for your time. Sir, first I would like to ask you something. As the Director of IIT Kanpur, what is your vision and mission to become globally topmost institute among 100, I would say?
Okay, so there are two aspects to this. One is vision for the institute for us to contribute to the nation building.
Right.
And the second is to come in the top 100. I strongly believe that we need to focus on the first one, and then the second one will take care of itself.
Right.
So therefore I will answer what we are planning to do in terms of our contribution to addressing the challenges faced by our country, which are numerous. Also, with the advancement of technology, we are now reaching a stage where people are consuming a lot more resources.
Right.
There are a lot more, let's say, lot more information flowing all over. Some good, some not so good, some truth, some false, mostly false. Now, and these are all creating challenges for all nations, not just India. Now, these challenges can only be addressed by technology itself. And as a leading academic and technology institute of the country, what we would like to do and we are planning to do is to work with the governments and come up with very specific technological solutions to some of the key challenges being faced. And this is work that is already going on. There are aspects of these domains where we have produced some interesting solutions and we plan to do a lot more.
Right, true. And you're going to achieve that too. Okay. So, sir, you are an academician, par excellence in the field of complexity theory and cryptography, and professor of computer science. Recently, India co-chaired Global Action Summit on AI, and PM of India gave roadmap for AI. How is IIT Kanpur, as leading research technical institute, preparing itself for harnessing the benefit of AI for the society and nation?
So this connects with the first question,
yeah.
that using technology to address major challenges being faced by the country. Now, AI specifically is a very critical tool. It has become very critical over time in that now we can use these tools to do a lot of very sophisticated analysis and projections. And this has happened over the last couple of years only. This is especially of great interest to our country because we have huge data. Enormous data exists in just about every domain. But that data is completely unstructured, maybe not even perfect, with a lot of gaps in it.
Right.
But these tools now give us the ability to overcome these obstacles and actually start making good use of that data.
Sure.
So we have a center called Center for Development of Intelligent Systems. And in that center, the primary goal is to use AI for solving major challenges being faced by the government and society.
Right.
They have, just to give you some example, they are developing UP Health Stack, which is basically a tool or a platform that will collate the data coming from all primary health care centers of the state and analyze, classify them and expose what we call APIs for applications to be built on top of it. So once this data is available in a single platform and in a form that is easily queryable, accessible, then we can build some very interesting applications. For example, we can detect very quickly an outbreak of a new type of disease,
Right.
which today takes a long time, but this can be done very quickly now. Similarly, the uh, analysis of a test report can be done now at a, you know, by somebody sitting at one location far away from the place where the test was conducted. So all this will be possible once this health stack is ready, and we are rolling it out, as I am told, by the summers this year.
Right. So ultimately, the approach is to make a better future and a secure one. Right. So how is IIT Kanpur, I would say, preparing itself to create research facilities such as high-power data centers to fuel the research on emerging technologies related to AI, deep learning, and many more are there?
Okay, so we are in the process of ordering. In fact, some part of it has already been ordered. So we are setting
Okay.
up a major data center with a combination of CPUs and GPUs. And we are also likely to get funding from the central government for setting it up. In addition, we are partnering with CIFI. They are establishing a very major data center in Lucknow,
Right.
and we are working with them for use of their center by our researchers.
Right. Okay. So, sir, IIT Kanpur has always been at the forefront of taking new initiatives relating to starting new industry, basically, courses for prospective students. Tell us about the such initiatives which have been taken recently related to the courses.
Of course, we are about to start several very interesting new programs. One is an undergraduate in intelligent systems,
Right.
which is essentially an amalgamation of AI and cyber physical systems. So how do we make use software and hardware together to do some interesting things like robots, drones, and many other medical devices. So that is going to roll out very soon. Along with it, we are also setting up a school on AI and
Okay.
intelligent systems. There is a master's program which is again rolling out from coming academic year, which is AI for sustainability.
Okay.
How do you use AI tools for addressing problems of sustainable future? In fact, this is being offered in association with the Center of Excellence in AI for Sustainable Cities.
Okay.
That got established by the Government of India at IIT Kanpur very recently.
Right. And so, what about the entrepreneurship ecosystem? How it is being promoted in IIT Kanpur?
So we have this incubation center, or what we call it, technology business incubator, which has been around for quite some time, almost
Right.
25 years. And over, I would say, last 5 years, it has made huge strides in terms of incubating companies and helping them to become successful. Today, right now, there are about over 180 startups being
Right.
incubated
Okay.
at the TBI. Most of them are in the product and deep tech.
Right.
We do not have many service related startups, and because service related startups tend to gravitate more towards big cities, because that's where the potential customers are. But at the same time, we have also specifically focused on, given our strengths, that in the technology space is when we should have or promote startups. Some of these startups have gone on to do exceptionally well, and I'm hoping that many more will do.
Surely. Okay. So, sir, one question from all the students. Summer season is admission season for lack of students. And in India, there are various students who have to go for undergrad program, masters, and for PhD too. They have numerous options whenever they are going for the premium institutes in India and abroad too. So, why they should choose IIT Kanpur particularly?
Well, IIT Kanpur offers several unique capabilities and unique advantages. One is the campus. It's a very nice campus which has been laid out very well.
Right.
While the campus is large, but for most of the work you only need to travel small distances. We have a number of very good research facilities which we are continuously augmenting. Our faculty are top notch. They are doing in several of the tech domains, the work being done is world class. So, for a student who is looking to specialize or excel in technology, I think IIT Kanpur offers one of the best places to be.
So, IIT Kanpur must be a feeling for you. If you have to describe it in one word, what word you are going to choose?
Openness.
Great. Okay. So, sir, any message for the prospective students of IIT Kanpur who may join this academic year?
The message is that technology is changing our lives these days. It's moving so fast that you can see week on week how things are changing. And it is very important as a nation for us to keep up with it. And not only keep up, actually lead some aspects of it. And that's where our next generation, which is the new class of students, they have to take ownership and eventual leadership of this space. So a lot rests on them, and I wish them great success.
Yeah.
And with the hope that they can lead the country into the future.
Yeah, surely they will. Though, sir, it was a very short interaction, and I must say that the words of wisdom from your mouth were really good, and I would have listened it throughout the day. But you are time bound, and so are we. That we have to respect your value of your time. So, thank you so much, and it was great to have you on our platform.
All right.